Let others also enter, then I will tell you. Switch off your mic. Yes, everyone. Open your cameras quickly. Everyone, Vashish, sit down. Vashish, where are you playing? Sit, sit, sit. Come. Yes. Kisan, everyone, open your cameras quickly. Open your camera, quick. Start doing this question which we were doing in the previous class. Do this question which we were doing in the previous class and open your cameras also. Do this question which we were doing in the previous class quickly. Open your camera quick. Quickly open your camera. And start doing this.
Ma'am, I cannot do work because my father is going to office and dropping me to my grandfather's house.
So now
I am in car.
So beta, you start doing this from Acha. You can do afterwards. Okay? You can do it afterwards.
Okay, ma'am.
Quickly. Okay, quickly. Open your cameras. Open your cameras, quick, quick, quick. Open cameras and then do the work. Don't do without cameras. Rohit, Kavish, Vikram, Karthik, Jasleen, Raghav, Tikyani. Open your cameras, quick. Be quick, everyone.
Ma'am, ma'am, I am saying that in previous class we doing it. So ma'am, we do new page or new page or
Beta, same page what you were doing in the previous class. You have to continue from there only. वो period over हो गया था, so call use some common sense, Angel.
ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay, Kavish, beta, send it to me on WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am, I am sending.
Aryan, I got your answer. Very good. Vayun also, I got the answer. Very good, Vayun. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vayun, write 8,000s, beta. Vayun, write 8,000s. Who is this writing without date? Aryan, put down the date. Aryan, put down the date, beta. Or right here, Aryan, look here, Aryan, write in here. Do not put a blank over here. We have to tell why? Because we have to tell the place value 3 in 1934. Okay, so you have to don't put a dash, write in here, not dash. Okay.
Page.
Aryan, correct it. Beta, Tejas, write 8,000s. Tejas, write 8,000s.
Okay. Ma'am, in next.
Very good, Kavish. Very nice. Kavish, why are you not using a Hindi lining notebook? Beta, now you are a grown-up student, right? Anna, Kavish?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now you use Hindi lining notebook.
Ma'am, my father said that first do in this notebook, then take out one Hindi notebook.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Beta, but ask your father that you are grown up and you have to start like this only, okay? Otherwise, how will you start? How will you understand how to write in this Hindi type notebook? You will face problem afterwards. है ना?
Ma'am, okay, ma'am, so I make one Hindi notebook.
Yes, Hindi lining notebook. That notebook you have to do this work, okay?
Ma'am, in the next. Ma'am, page.
Okay, Aryan, I got your answer again. Aryan, don't put a dash also. Rub dash is there, na? You made one dash like that, beta. No need of it. Just delete it. Sorry, delete it. Nahi, I'm sorry, rub it. Just rub it. Erase it. Otherwise, your answers are correct, Aryan. Very good, Vashish. Your answers are correct. Why Payal ma'am is sending answers here? I got so many answers, but I did not get so many answers till now. There are so many students, those who have not sent me the answer. Okay, very good, Triya. Very nice. Now Priya is becoming good in maths. Now Priya is becoming good in maths.
Thank you, ma'am.
She said she does not like maths, but she likes. She's still doing good.
Ma'am, page.
बेटा अभी तक किसका नेक्स्ट पेज अभी नहीं समझ पाया है? कौन अभी तक नहीं समझ पाया है?
Ma'am, I don't see this and.
अभी तक समझ ही नहीं पाया. Next page, new page, whatever they are doing. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
we have to make like this notebook.
Show me which one. Kavish, who is speaking? Kavish is speaking. Yes, Kavish, like
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one. Yes, bachcha. Okay, you will be in a habit of writing this notebook now. So that, because you are not younger, you are grown up. You are a big boy now. You are in third class, not
Yes,
in
ma'am.
second class. ठीक है, Angel, correct. Angel, please improve your handwriting.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please
Very
side.
good. Very good, Samarth, Jaiswal. Beta, whose copy is this? Why is it so becoming teared up? Like, whose copy is this? Let me check. Raghav, why the notebook is like this? Folded one.
Ma'am, please side.
And Raghav, do you know how to take a picture? You should keep the camera straight. Okay, Raghav, very good. Answers are correct. Chalo, now let me start the next question. Question 2B. Everyone has done this? I'm going to rub it. If you have not done this, say no.
Yes. Done it. Yes.
If you have not done this, say no.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Who said no, ma'am? Tell me your name,
Yes.
bache. Chalo, let me tell you
Mama,
answers. Okay, let me ask answers one by one. Okay, Samar. What is the answer of this? 1 in 6019. Nobody will speak except Samar. Huh, Samar?
Ma'am, 10.
One
Ma'am,
tenth.
110.
Don't say tenths. It is 1/10. Very good. Okay, Prakhar Gupta. Beta, tell me what is the place value of 8043 name? 8 and 1, 8043.
Ma'am, sorry to disturb you. Ma'am, 8,000.
8,000.
8,043. Ma'am, sorry to disturb you, but ma'am, in tens you not add
Beta, when there is
five.
one, na? Beta, when there is
Yes.
one, when there is one is singular. So we can use 10. One में इसलिए नहीं करा है क्योंकि 10 आता है. Don't say I have sent. Don't need to tell me that I have sent. I will see myself on the WhatsApp group. Okay, okay. Now who will tell me? Avika will tell me. Avika, what is the place value of 5 and 6512?
Ma'am, 100.
100 नहीं, ma'am 100 नहीं है.
Ma'am, 100.
Ma'am 100 नहीं है. Ma'am is
500.
not 100. Avika, ma'am is not 100. 5 is hundreds. Ma'am 100 है. हाँ Avika?
Yes,
Ma'am
ma'am.
100 है. Ma'am 100 है.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am 100 है. 500 है.
Yes,
Ma'am 100
ma'am.
नहीं है.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am
100.
100 Ma'am 100 है. अच्छा.
Ma'am, 100.
Ma'am 100. Okay. It's 500s, not ma'am 100s.
5 के जगह मैं लिख देते.
Huh? Ma'am is not hundreds. Ayushi
Ma'am,
and Shreya are not studying.
Sorry, ma'am. Your video is paused.
My video is not paused. Check your internet connection, everyone.
Your video is paused.
Beta, who is this? 110 से ये. Who is this? शौर्य गंगवार के नाम से कौन है? Shreya. Shreya, it is 110, not 11. Shreya, it is 110.
There is a 5. There is no ma'am in 5 place.
Okay. 8,000, 8,000s. Kavyansh, correct. Kavyansh, put thousands and hundreds. Kavyansh. Beta, see, it is 3 tens. 110. Write this number also, Kavyansh. Write this number also, Kavyansh.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Vikram. Very nicely done, Arav. Okay, Shaksham, correct. Very good, Shazan. Very nice, Kanha. Now I'm going to rub it and start the next question. Beta,
Ma'am,
now what you have to do, you look here, everyone now. Look here. Look here.
Ma'am, I have to drink water.
Yeah, drink water, but keep your mic off and look here, everyone. Now what you have to do. Now leave 2 lines in between and draw the ending line with a scale. Draw the ending line with a scale. Leave 1 line here and 1 line below. Right? Question B. On the same page. Draw the ending line on the same page. And write question B. Everyone do this first. Everyone will do along with me. Yes, Arav Bhatnagar, correct, beta. Draw the ending line. Leave 2 lines in between. And write question B on the same page. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing now here. I'm rubbing this, but you have to start from here only, okay? I'm rubbing this because I don't have a space here. मेरे पास जगह नहीं है बच्चों, तो इसलिए मैं यहाँ ऊपर लिख रही हूँ. Okay, everyone understood what I'm saying? I'm writing here at the top because I don't have a space down here. So I'm writing question B here. You will continue from here only, same page, not new page. You will continue from the same page. You will continue from the same page. Write question A. Okay, Ayushi, I got your answer.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Ayushi, write 500. Same page. क्या लिखा है ये? Same page. Write question B.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have done my work.
Beta, if you have done your work, then do this work. Who will do this one? Now look here, fold your arms. Fold your arms and look here. See here, you have to divide your page into equal parts and look here everyone. What you have to do, you have to write down the place value of each digit. Like we have done in the book. Today we have done in second period. We have done in book. What is the place value of 5 here? Each means each and every digit. What is the place value of 5 here?
1,000.
Not 1,000, it's 5,000.
5,000.
Without leaving line, you will write 5,000. 300s. Without leaving line, you get
300.
0 tens and 2 ones. Like this you will do. Divide your page into equal parts. One side you write this. Question number 2 I'm writing here. Do question 2.
Ma'am, ma'am, we have write also like this 5000.
Where it is written 5000? Where is it written? Acha, acha, acha. You can write in that way also. That is also correct. Yes, yes, yes. These are 4 questions. Start doing it. Huh? What? Yes, you have to send it. After completing, you have to send it. Jasleen, write down the date. Jasleen, write down the date also.
Ma'am, ma'am, I done my work, but ma'am, I am saying that I do 1, 2 in the same page, but 3, 4
Okay,
is
it's
not
okay.
coming. So I
So do next page.
so I do
Yes,
new
do
page.
next page. Do next page. Yes, beta, do next page.
Ma'am done. I'm saying done.
Raghav, switch off your mic.
Ma'am, I make new copy, I make now new copy. So what I do? Because
What beta?
what
Who is
I
saying
do?
this? Kavish, you are saying.
972. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you start from doing, leave 2-3 pages and start doing from there only, okay?
Ma'am, but you still same pages.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कभी कभी हो जाता है,
Ma'am,
किसी
but
किसी
you
का
still
change. कोई बात नहीं कविश, let me say, कोई बात नहीं कविश, sometime it happens.
Ma'am, so I leave 3 pages and I do my work.
Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, please check my work.
Have you sent on WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check it. Beta, draw the line with a scale. Angel, draw the line with a scale.
Size before one's O and E S.
It is correct, but draw the line with a scale.
I have no scale.
This is, we to rub these lines. I don't want such lines. I don't want to see such lines drawn without a scale. Kanha, very good. Very nice, Kanha.
Ma'am, please see my work.
I'm checking everyone's work. Wait a minute. Kanha done with the work correctly. Shweta कौन है बेटा ये?
Ma'am, me. Why not?
Me कौन होता है?
Why Rajput?
Okay, Vayun. Vayun, it is correct, beta. Right, thousands. 5,000. Prakhar Gupta. Yes, very good, Prakhar.
Tens. बार
Very good, Prakhar. Answers are correct. Okay, Vayun, your answers are also correct. Don't tell me that you have done the work. Just send it on WhatsApp without telling me. Prakhar, very good. Your answers are correct. Please switch off your mics. Who is Sidra Fatima? Sidra, are you in the same class? हाँ Sidra, open your mic बच्चे.
Ma'am, now it is correct.
Who is saying now it is correct?
Ma'am, me Angel Jory.
How can I see, beta? I'm looking at the WhatsApp group. Vikram, correct, beta. Draw the ending line with a scale, Vikram. Draw the ending line with a scale. Very nice, Vikram.
Ma'am, you can see on the Zoom.
Gaurav,
Yes, ma'am.
Gaurav, listen. बेटा आपने thousands करा है, thousands होना चाहिए, hundreds. Okay? Put S's in thousand and hundreds.
Okay, ma'am.
Arav, write your full name. Arav Bhatnagar and Arav Tiwari. Okay? Arav Bhatnagar. Beta, please don't shout. Who is shouting like that? Who is shouting like that? Let me see whose mic is on. Gaurav and Angel, switch off your mics. Next time, if I found anybody's mics on unnecessarily, I'll throw them out of the meeting. Arav, your answers are correct. Put S in the end. Gaurav, write question number. And Gaurav, where is the next question? This is the previous one. Aryan, draw the lines with a scale properly. And Aryan, write the whole question. Write the place value of each digit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Aryan, correct it. Write the place value of each digit is the whole question.
Ma'am, now please see my work.
Angel, please stop speaking in between. Enough is enough. Now I'll throw you out of the meeting if you speak unnecessarily in between. I told you nobody will ask me. Please see my work. You just send it on WhatsApp. Whenever your chance will come, I will speak myself. Yes, Angel, yes, your work is now correct. Now don't speak in between. Avika, please use the Hindi lining notebook. And Avika, please use the word thousands, hundreds. SS you have to put in between.
Okay, ma'am.
Avika, same problem is there, okay? Thousands, hundreds.
Okay, ma'am.
Tejas, correct. करेक्ट तेजस आप भी बेटा थाउजेंड्स में एस लगाओ हंड्रेड्स में एस लगाओ दिस इज द मिस्टेक यू मेड who is this Arav Tiwari okay Arav draw the line with a scale ending line one should be drawn with a scale your answers are correct Arav who else is left shall I rub this shall I start the next question who is still not who has not done this raise your hands in your video I want to see who has not done it okay. Who else is doing it? How many of you are still doing it? Raise your hands. Prakhar done? Done? Yes or no? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, done. Be quick, let me check. Priya, have you done? And where is your camera, Priya? Priya and Ayushi, be
Ma'am,
quick.
I am sending the picture.
Okay, Priya and Ayushi, be quick. Prasang Agarwal kabhi mere paas answer nahi aata hai. And where is Raghav Negi? Send me your answers, quick. Okay, Shazan, give me the answer. Shazan, put beta S in the end. Gaurav, correct, Gaurav. Very good. Yes, Aryan, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have also done.
Don't say I have done. If you have done, send on WhatsApp. That's it. I will see myself.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kavish.
ma'am, if we not write S means it is the question is wrong.
Beta, yes, the question will become wrong. Because beta, it happens whenever there is what na? Kya bolte isko? Place values. You have to write S in the end. Just give me a minute, beta. Let me share the other link. Beta, link will be shared, so don't join now. अभी आप मेरे ही क्लास में रहोगे जब तक मीटिंग ओवर नहीं हो जाती यू विल बी इन द सेम क्लास फोर्थ बी just give me a minute 5300 sequence ठीक है very good Priya Very nice. Priya, write 0 once. Siddhant, very good. Neat and clean work, Siddhant. Jasleen, draw the lines with the scale. Next time, I don't want to see such lines drawn without a scale. Kavyansh, very good. Anvi, correct. Okay, let us start the next question.
Ma'am, I am also sending my work. Ma'am, please check
Now I
my
will check it
work.
afterwards. Now I will tell you afterwards. I have already checked everyone's work. Now those who are sending me, I will check them afterwards. First, see the answers. Okay, how many thousands are here? How many thousands are here? 4 thousands. Beta, most of you are not putting this S. Please put this S. Most of you are not putting this S in the end. Okay? 500s. 8 tenths. And 9 ones. Alright? Now see the next question. Wait a second. Okay. See here. 7,000s. 0 बेटा अगर किसी ने 7,000 ऐसे करके लिखा हुआ है, then this is also correct. This is also correct and this is also correct. But mention these numbers. This is very compulsory. 0 hundreds, 7 tenths and 2 ones. ठीक है? 3,000s, 900s, 7 tenths and 0 ones. Check your answers quickly. Check your answers.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
No, everyone else. Beta, no need to speak. Keep your mic off. Keep your mics off. Nobody will say my answers are correct. I have already checked your answer and I know they are correct. Those are wrong. I already told them that they are wrong. Okay?
Ma'am, I am also correct.
Yes. Now don't speak in between. Samarth, your answers are correct. Shazan, your answers are also correct. And Kavish, your answers are very good. Very nice, Kavish. Very good. Okay, beta, now let me start the next question. Okay. Now, what is the next question here? Expanded form. First of all, let me explain you what is Kana. Come and sit back. Come here, Kana. Sit. Sit. Okay. What do you mean by expand? Have you heard the word expand? What is the meaning of the word expand? Can you? Somebody can. Don't shout. Stop speaking. Don't start speaking. Okay, Kana. I think beta there is some mic problem in yours. I think there is some mic problem, Kanha, है ना? Because now it is.
It's long.
Don't speak. But now speak. Don't speak. Don't speak.
Ma'am, when we when we big something small thing, it is called expand.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Expand means when something is small and we enlarge it, we expand it. कोई चीज छोटी सी है. Suppose, for example, if I give you a balloon. Have you seen a balloon? Balloon, have you seen? If you blow air into the balloon, if you blow air into the balloon, what will happen? The balloon will grow into a big balloon. है ना? That means balloon expand. Balloon expand. Balloon.
Excuse me, ma'am.
ये अगर किसी ने पूछा मैम कहाँ करना है तो मैं बहुत पिटाई कर दूंगी उसकी अभी. जिसने भी ये पूछ लिया कि मैम ये वर्क कहाँ करना है, कहीं कुछ नहीं करना है. Fold your arms and look here on the board.
मैम कहाँ करना?
Arav Tiwari, I'll throw you out of the meeting right now. Fold your arms and look here. Matlab, if I'm saying, don't ask me this thing. Fold your arms and look here what I'm teaching you. He's asking the same question. No shame at all.
Mama, balloon.
Balloon expand. What do you mean by balloon expands? When we blow air into the balloon, balloon becomes big. वैसे ही क्या होता है? If a number is given to you, for example, 25 is a number. If I ask you to expand it, so how will you expand it? You will open it up. How will you open it up? 20 plus 5, 24. You open this number. You open this number. Okay? Fold your arms and look here, everyone. Quick. One second. If the number is 325, so how we will expand it? 300 plus 20 plus 5. अच्छा कैसे करा? See here, in your you can write in one way also. What is the place value of every number? 300 plus 2 tens plus 5 ones. So both are correct. ठीक है? This one is also correct and this one is also correct. This is known as expanded form. This is known as expanded form. Small number को just Kanha said to give something, to make something smaller into a bigger. Vikram Gurha, I will throw you out if you will ask me this question that you have to write anything. You have to run. What I told you not to write anything and just look here on the board and fold your arms. Fold your arms and look here on the board.
Ma'am, I was in the bathroom.
Don't do anything. Sit here. Sit quietly. You were in the washroom. You should ask me before going. Okay, see here now. Look here. If the number is 1785, so you can write in this way: 1000 plus 700s plus 8 tens plus 5 ones. Or another way is to do is 1000 plus 700 plus 85. Both are correct. Two small number ko you expand this number. You make this number a big number. This is known as expanded form. You make a small number into a big number. By writing its place values, Kavish, let me speak or I will give you to teach the whole class. वरना आपको पढ़ाना पड़ेगा पूरे क्लास को. ठीक है? तो क्या होता है? We write it with the place values and add them. We write the place value of every number and add them. Beta, this meeting is going to be over. So we will see whenever our next period is there. So I'll teach you, I'll give you questions related to this one. All right. See you tomorrow.
Ma'am, I can
Bye bye, beta.
Ma'am, if a balloon is Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bache.
Bye, ma'am.
This period will be over now. So you have to join the next meeting. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
यही पढ़ा